Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion on your iPad. First, ensure you have the official Notion app installed from the App Store. Once downloaded, simply open the app and log in using your existing Notion credentials or sign up for a new account if you're a first-time user. The iPad interface is optimized for touch, making navigation and interaction very intuitive. You'll find your workspaces and pages readily accessible, ready for your productivity needs. Navigating Notion on your iPad is straightforward. The sidebar on the left provides quick access to all your workspaces, pages, and databases. Simply tap on any item to open it. To create new content, look for the prominent plus icon, which allows you to add new pages, databases, or blocks. One of Notion's powerful features, drag and drop, works seamlessly on the iPad, letting you effortlessly rearrange blocks and customize your page layouts with a simple touch. For power users, integrating an external keyboard with your iPad unlocks many Notion keyboard shortcuts, significantly boosting your efficiency. The iPad split view feature is also incredibly useful, allowing you to run Notion alongside another app, like Safari or Mail, for seamless multitasking. Furthermore, Notion offers an offline mode, meaning you can continue working on your previously accessed pages even when you don't have an internet connection, ensuring your productivity never stops. To truly maximize your Notion workflow on the iPad, take advantage of its robust customization options. Tailor existing templates or create your own from scratch to perfectly suit your unique project requirements. Collaboration is also a breeze. Easily share pages with team members and work together in real time. And hey, while you're optimizing your digital space, why not enhance your physical one? Check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals to keep your car smelling fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.